And now, lend us your ears for an update from Nebraska Corn.
On this week's program, we are going to talk a little bit about some research that's being done converting corn into chemicals as a petrol replacement. The work's actually going on in Iowa. Here to tell us about it is Alex Buck. He is the Industrial Innovation Manager with the Iowa Corn Promotion Board. Tell us about this project. It's called MEG, M-E-G. What are you researching here?
Yes, thanks for having me, Chad. MEG is monoethylene glycol. It is a commodity chemical made industrially and is one of the largest chemicals made in the world. And it is used to make antifreeze. It's used to make polyester for, clothing or for plastic bottles, soda bottles, bottled water bottles. Most MEG is made from natural gas and oil. And so we've actually developed a patented process at Iowa Corn with funding help from Nebraska Corn to make it directly from corn sugar.
What are the benefits of this research and obtaining MEG from corn?
MEG from corn would, of course, be plant-based or bio-based. The consumer audience seems to be moving the direction for bio-based. This product, though, will be the exact same drop-in chemical. It will not be any different than the petroleum-based version, except for being bio-based. The benefits to corn farmers is that this is a product that doesn't currently come from corn in any large quantities. There is some bio-based MEG that comes from ethanol, but that ethanol could be sugarcane, or it could be corn, or it could be molasses ethanol. And so by having a product that specifically comes from what's called glucose or dextrose, corn sugar, we can increase demand for corn and really drive the increase of this bio-based chemical from a natural source such as corn.
And therefore would have an impact on demand. Has there been any hypothesis what sort of an effect this would have on corn demand?
Great question. Being such a large market, MEG is about 70 billion pounds of MEG is made per year. Now, that grows about 4% a year. If the 4% was going to be captured just by our process, that would be 94 million bushels of corn per year. And that's an increase of 94 million bushels per year. So the math around that is the total market of MEG is roughly 2.6 billion bushels of corn. Now, I want to caution the listeners that is not going to be all from corn. Petroleum will still be able to compete very well in this market. And so we're looking to try to displace the current market of bio-based corn and get a foothold and then start to grow. But as consumers demand more bio-based products, the demand for bio-based and plant-based chemicals can only go up.
What's the take-home message that you want to make sure farmers remember about this project?
Well, remember that monoethylene glycol can come from corn, and the demand for a plant-based product starts with a demand from the consumer. Brand owners and companies that make these products are only going to be interested in it if they see a market, and that market comes from consumers, not just farmers, but everyone.
Thanks again.